So, welcome back everybody, Mr. K here. I'm feeling a tiny bit not better. Really, I'm not. Oh, yellow light. Time to stop. Downshift. Downshift. Little bit of brake. I love this bike. So I am actually out cruising around because, you know, motorcycle is the best medicine for whatever the heck I got. But obviously I'm not messing around. I'm just being nice and, you know, being a good boy because, yeah. It was really tough too because I went to work today and I'm telling you guys I should have just stayed home. I felt like I was completely useless. And I don't know if you guys know how that feeling is, but that is like the worst feeling in the world. Ooh, that was so cool as lights just came on. That's cool. We have the LED street lights here. They just, like, the last year or year and a half they started upgrading them. It's pretty cool. Like, I like the look of it too. It just seems like it's you know, it brightens up the road a lot better. I personally like the LEDs. I know some people really don't like the street lights being LED, but I love them. I don't know. And on that same note, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So there's a camera down there. It's facing, well, that way. So I'm just trying out different little camera angles. This bike, I am kind of being careful about where I put the camera because obviously I don't want to put it in a spot that's gonna, you know, have a chance where I'm gonna lose my camera, because I don't want to lose my camera. So I'm trying out different angles, trying out different, you know, messing around with different things. Now I am having a little bit of a problem finding a good spot to put a front-facing camera, and I know that you guys already saw one. I had it down there. It wasn't the best spot. I just didn't like the way that looked. So I'm gonna try and see if there's a, you know, I'm still messing around with this, guys. Like, it's a new bike, it's got all this new shapes, and so I'm just gonna try and figure out little solutions to where I'm gonna put a front-facing camera. Initially, I did have a, that's a cool house. I did have a nice little spot for it, but the handlebar interfered with the way I wanted it to look. So yeah, I will put a front-facing camera. I'm just gonna, you guys have to kind of bear with me until I find what's the best spot to put it in, and once I find the best spot, then I kind of go from there. Ooh. Gosh darn, I love this bike. It just goes. Oh, look at that sky. Oh, I love the way that looks. Hey, the LEDs just came on in this area. Street lights. That's cool. Oh, that looks so cool. I love the way the sky looks right now. I hope the camera picks up what I'm seeing. I would like to take a left turn. May I please take a left turn? Yes, I may. Thank you, y'all. And I found another motorcycle. How awesome is that? I believe that is a Ninja 300 is my guess. It's a white Ninja 300. In fact, I am pretty sure. What is that guy doing? Whoa. See, that rider paid attention. He knew what he was doing, or she, I'm not sure. But yeah, that guy just like came out of nowhere. But I'm pretty sure that's a Ninja 300. Well, that was exciting. That was exciting. It's crazy. It happens. Don't worry about it. I saw it too. I have it on camera. It's gonna go up on YouTube. Oh. So he was saying like he's hardly still beating fast. Well, yeah, I bet. Getting cut off is never cool, but it happens. You know, it happens. What are you gonna do? All right, I'm gonna end the video with that, and I hope you guys have yourselves a good night. I'm gonna say good night because see, it's night here. So till next time, goodbye and see ya.